Hi there, it's Lisa Arana from Dahlhouse Designs and the Unity Stamp Company design team. Today I'm showing a quick antique technique using a new stamp from Unity Stamp called New Day Rooster. I'm starting with some antique linen distress ink and I'm using my blending tool and starting going around the edge of the tag. I'm slowly building up color and moving inwards, leaving the center of the tag lighter than the edges. Next, I've created a mask by stamping on copy paper, cutting it out, and adhering it over the rooster on my tag with some removable adhesive. Now I'm just inking up the Giving It All meeting stamp and removing a little bit of that ink with some scrap paper before I stamp it onto my tag. I wanted the words to look a little bit worn and antiqued before I stamped it onto my image. Now the rest of this video is just me assembling my card, and I'm just going to add some music to let you watch if you're interested.